Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In The Money Stocks. Today is February 28, 2014. It is a Friday. Let's jump right into the charts here. We're going to start off with the usual S&P 500 E-mini futures. See that the futures are trading lower by 1.5. Now, generally on Fridays, we look for a flat to slightly positive trading session. If the market is down, it usually is not down that much. Last Friday we had, I believe, a slightly negative day, but again, the market was just down fractionally, almost flat on the session. So we're going to look for that again today. The one thing I think traders want to watch for is the dollar-yen chart. One thing I've been noticing here, at least over the past couple weeks, is every time the dollar-yen starts out, it's lower, and then around 9:30 in the morning, it starts to move higher. And if you go back on the chart, and you could look for yourself, just scroll back and look at 9:30, 10 o'clock, and you'll see the dollar-yen starts to move higher. When that happens, dollar-yen goes up, the stock market goes up. It's pretty correlated. Again, it's a big carry trade there by the institutions, highly leveraged position. And when they're making money in the currency world, they're going to put bets on to get the markets higher. So that's what we got to watch for. If the dollar-yen comes under pressure, there's not a doubt in my mind that the spiders or the S&P 500 and the rest of the stock indexes around the world will come under pressure. So watch for that pretty closely, see if that happens, and we'll take it from there. Let's go right into the charts now. Got a lot of stocks in the news today. I think Salesforce reported earnings last night. Stock right now is trading at $66.30 a share, closed at $66.20. There's not a lot you can do with Salesforce until it gets down to around the $57.40 level, $57.35. Right around there, that's your level for a scalp long. Remember, a scalp trade is nothing more than a quick day trade. All right, so if it gets down to around $57.35, $57.40, you can scalp that to the long side. That would be a very good support level, at least in my book. Let's take a look at Ross Stores. ROST is the ticker symbol. This one also had, I believe, reported earnings. The stock has very little upside from here. So maybe it could get to, $72.50, $72.75. I really don't see it getting much above there, but you never know. If the stock comes down, you really want to watch the 65.70, 65.80 level. I know it's a long way down from here, but it can happen. I've seen it. Days where markets report earnings, things can happen once the opening bell rings. So, again, very little upside in the equity from current price. Maybe another 50 to 75 cents of upside. That would be about it. Right now, the stock's trading at $72, as you can see on my screen. All right, let's take a look at Deckers Outdoors. I have a gap level for this one. This stock is getting decked. It's trading at $74.52. It closed at $84.67. So I will have gap levels for this one in the chat room posted at 9 a.m. So come on over, get those gap levels. They'll be in the chat room at 9 a.m. Let's take a look at Gap Stores GPS. This stock reported earnings yesterday as well. It's now trading at $43.62. There's not a lot you could do here. There's very little upside. Do not chase this to the upside. Maybe it gets back up to $44, $44.50, maybe. But I would do nothing with Gap right now. But the upside seems to be very, very limited. If you own it, I would trail the stop loss. Let's take a look at Pure One Imports. Never forget, in 2009, this stock was trading around $1 or a little bit less. And today it's now a $19 stock. Currently trading at $18.82. Stock closed at $20.06 yesterday. If Pure One comes down a little bit more, you may have a little bit of a level around $18.20, $18 even number. There'll be some support there. After that, it's really down to $16. I don't know if we'll see that, but nonetheless, Pure One coming under a little pressure today, down a little bit over $1 from $20.06, the close at $20.06 yesterday. So again, watch those levels on Pure One. We'll move over to Monster Beverage, MNST, the old Hanson Natural. Stock's trading right now at $73.25. So it's a decent little uptick from the close yesterday, which was $71.16. It's fine right now. There's nothing terrible, nothing great. If the stock did sell off today, watch the $67 level. Okay, 67 would be your intraday scalp bounce level if Monster sells off. But right now it's fine. It's trading at $73.25. But this stock is a volatile mover. Okay, it can move, it can shift. I I would not look to short it because it's showing some strength this morning. But ultimately, if it does come back down, watch 67.07 as the support level on this equity. All right, let's take a look at SPLK. This is SPLK. This stock is gapping up today. It's just about at the 100 level. I don't see more upside here. So because it's a new all-time high, I will not short it, but I'm tempted. I don't see much more upside in this name. So this could be a reversal candidate, but because it's a new all-time high, it's a very tough short. But I do think this pulls back in underneath $100. The one thing I will say, if you do own it, trail your stop real tight today. Okay, trail your stop real tight. This could be, a pop it to drop it type done deal by the institutional traders. So just keep an eye on this one. But I don't see any more upside in this equity. Be very, very careful with SPLK, which is Splunk Inc. Okay, at this stage of the game. Let's take a look at MDVN. This stock is getting hammered to the downside. Okay, so big sell-off in MDVN. I have gap levels for this one, so they'll be posted up in the chat room. But nonetheless, stock closed at $84.52. It's trading at $74.26 at the moment, and it should go lower. So be careful with this one. Come on over. I got gap levels for this. They will be posted up in the chat room. Looking at oil and gold this morning, if we take a look at the oil market first, you're going to see light sweet crude is trading lower by 35 cents to 102.05 a barrel. So just above the 102 market. Let's go to the USO, which is a good proxy for light sweet crude. And what you'll see here is that is dipping a little bit, trading at around 36.61. Again, oil seems to be in a little bit of a range at the moment, but nothing terrible here, nothing great. I think it's just range bound at the moment around this level. Looking at gold this morning, gold is trading down by 20 cents. So basically a flat day for gold. Right now it's trading at $13.31.50 an ounce. So if we take a look at the GLD, which is a good proxy for trading gold, paper gold that is, it's trading at 128.34, closed at 128.20. So really no movement there. Gold is holding up very, very well so far though. It just needs to consolidate longer, and then it should push to another high. But that may take a few more days, possibly even a couple weeks. But either way, gold is holding up very, very well on the charts. All right, so that's my take on today's action. Remember, it is a Friday. Rarely do we get a big down day on Friday, but right now, futures are trading lower by 2.25 points. I want to wish everybody a great trading day, and we'll see you on the charts. Take care now.